Good morning, people. Welcome to World Eagle Television Networks, where we bring you exciting news at your doorstep. Please do well to subscribe and press the bell notification for further updates. This morning we'll be talking about legal matters as it concerns you and I. Believe you me, no matter how busy you are, no matter how holy you are, you have some legal issues to deal with on day-to-day activities, starting from the police at the checkpoints, to the house help in your house, to your relationship with your security officials, and even the food you eat, even the vegetables you buy. Now we want to bring you some news that we don't know if it's a good news or yet to be a good news, or something that has never been done in the world that is about to take off in Nigeria. You are welcome to this morning broadcast, and please let's go on with it so you can actually understand what we are talking about. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, the Chief Justice of the Federation, the Chief Justice of Nigeria came out with a proposal to make people attend trials online. So you don't need to be in court for your case to be tried. You can as well be tried online. So if they want to determine the triability of a case, it can be done online. And then if they want to trash out the case to say that this is res judicata, it can as well be done online. So we are talking about the use of social media as it concerns legal issues, and how you can actually file petitions online and be tried online, or sue someone online. Let's know what you think at the comment section. This is the very sensitive topic that every Nigerian should stand up to it, because this is first time it's happening in Nigeria, and Nigerians must come out to see if this is what we can do or what we cannot do. First of all, I want us to talk about how many Nigerians that have access to electricity to charge their phones. After we are done talking about people who have access to electricity in Nigeria to charge their phones, before we can talk about people who can afford a phone, because the cost of phone is as much as the cost of one bag of rice in Nigeria. No be person wey don chop they use phone. Okay, that's aside. When you talk about that, you are going too far. Let's go in to talk about how many people in Nigeria can afford internet. Assuming you are trying me online and my internet goes off, how do I continue defending myself? That means you pass judgment and send me to prison. Chief Justice of Nigeria, I hope you are hearing what we are saying here. You have to talk to your government first to make sure they provide all citizens with phones or laptops, and then electricity to charge their batteries, and also internet. How can you be judging people online? Sometimes I wonder if your heads are working at all, or you are just trying to make jest of Nigerians. Yeah? And you have been wearing cap on your head all through, and we are waiting forward to the day you remove that cap. Let's know if you have a bald head, or you are just talking from what people are telling you. Just the same way His Excellency Buhari reads the speech, someone must have written for him. So when he's reading it, he's just reading what someone wrote for him, not telling you what he thinks about the state of the nation, rather what someone wrote for him. So let's hear what the Chief Justice of Nigeria says. Justice Tanko Muhammad on Monday gave judges across the Federation the nod to adjudicate on cases through online platforms. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, who spoke at a visual opening ceremony of the induction course for newly appointed judges and cadis organized by the National Judicial Institution, NJI, however, stressed that is adjudicating matters online will help Nigeria. Judges must pay strict adherence to dictates of the law. Wonderful. Wonderful. Do you know that some judges in Nigeria don't even have Android phones? Or do you know that some courts in Nigeria don't even have internet access? Do you have there's no 4G in Nigeria? Do you know that there's no electricity in Nigeria for 24 hours and you cannot boast of electricity in Nigeria for 2 hours? How can you charge a phone that can last for 24 hours? And how can you attend trials online when you don't have electricity? Nigerian governments, I think you people are jokers. I think the government is jokers. I think the Chief Justice is a joker. I think Justice Tanko Muhammad, I think he's a joker. Jump up from your sleep. Stop sleeping. If not because you're Muslim, I will suspect you of drinking alcohol. After drinking some bottles of liquor and smoking your head out, you come and say one nonsense online and say something that people will start thinking about. How can you ever think of adjudicating matters online? How can you ever think about that? How can such stupid idea ever cross your head? What makes you think that you have what it takes to adjudicate matters online? Even the United States of America, with the advanced technologies, don't do that. Except in rare cases. And Nigeria, with the worst technology, worst crime rate, worst corruption rate in the world, worst electricity in the world, worst internet in the world, is thinking of adjudicating matters online. Let me know what you think at the comment section. Please lend your voice to this and let's see how far we can go towards making the country see the need to provide electricity and internet for the citizens. Going on to other news, we want to talk about what is going on with the Economic and Financial Crime Commission as it concerns the ex-Federal Inland Revenue Service boss, Fowler. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission is currently interrogating the former chairman of the Federal Inland Revenue Service, Babatunde Fowler. Well, we know that you are not trying to imprison him because you have never imprisoned any politician in Nigeria, and you have never found any politician guilty except Yahoo boys. The only people who are victims of EFCC is, or that are rather the Yahoo boys, not in any way the politicians, because they always pay their ways through. We talked about the conviction of Ojo Zokalo, and we were happy that for the very first time the EFCC convicted a former governor and a renowned politician and a House of Assembly member, a senator. Just after we have celebrated, the young man came out walking on the street. So we think you guys are jokers, so let us know what you think at the comment section. So we are not trying to mock Nigerians, but we are trying to put to right what we think is wrong with our dear country and how we think Nigeria can go forward. Still moving on to legal matters, we want to talk about what Nigerian Bar Association says about the regulation of social media. The Nigerian Bar Association President, Olamide Apata, has faulted the renewed call for regulation of social media by the federal government. Apata, in recent interviews, stated that the timing of the regulation of social media is wrong. I just said to myself, what are we trying to do? The timing is suspicious and the timing is crooked, according to him. How come you want to regulate social media at this time to shut the mouths of youths from telling the world about the evils you are committing at the National Assembly, at the state houses, at the federal level, at the state level, even at the local government level? Now that the EndSARS protest is going on, now the youths are standing to responsibilities that this man called Liar Mohammed is trying to regulate the social media. Let me know what you think at the comment section. Please, wherever you are, please add your voice to these words that we have talked about and these points that we have raised. Let us stand firm and challenge the government. Let us put them on their toes and make them deliver to the call. Until we meet again, I remain your humble host, Prince Bieluchi Chooks, and I say shalom and life to you and your family.